Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kepple token. K-E-P-P-L-E is the name of the token. KPL is the ticker symbol. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing tomorrow, April 30th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed April 30th, 15 hours UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KPL, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. April 30th. 15 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, this is a very popular project already. If you check out their Twitter, at Kepple_IO, they have the blue check mark. They were previously called the Qlcchain, it says. They have 80,100 Twitter followers, 1,718 tweets, very active on Twitter. Their official webpage is Kepple.io. They also have a Medium articles where you can go over all the information. So it says, we are delighted to present the Qlcchain roadmap for 2023. After a hiatus from the previous roadmap of Qlcchain, we are proud to announce the rebranding of Qlcchain to Kepple, bringing a redefined concept following the communication services spirit of the former Qlcchain, and will become an all-in-one crypto solution on the BNB chain for social media platforms. So Kepple aims to bring Web3 features to Twitter and other popular Web2 social media platforms, thus ensuring potential billions of users can benefit from the services offered by Kepple. By becoming a layer 2 crypto solution for Twitter and other popular social media platforms, you, the Kepplers, will be able to use the following features with the all-in-one extension. You can use your own Kepple wallet, connect your favorite wallet to Kepple, like MetaMask or Wallet Connect, built-in tools trading, trading tools, swap your crypto on decentralized exchanges without moving from your social media platform, track crypto prices and data, and share them with your followers, send encrypted crypto tips to your friends, get ready to engage with your community and distribute crypto rewards fairly to followers completing tasks, and use your NFT PFPs. File transfer using decentralized file sharing storage services, and more. So the roadmap is on here. So phase 1 of the roadmap is going to be token migration from NEO to the BNB chain, then the ticker change, then staking. So you'll be able to stake this token. Then the Kepple DAO. So you're going to have voting rights for where this project will go in the future. Phase 2 is going to be the Kepple desktop wallet. And then we're going to have the Kepple browser extension wallet, Kepple mobile wallet, Kepple browser extension, and then quarter 3 or phase 3 is going to be social trading tools, crypto data streaming, encoded file sharing, community incentives, social media oracles, Q4 is going to be NFTs and PFPs, Twitter giveaway, merchant tools, and regional communities. So the migration of KLC to NEO on the BNB chain will ensure both seamless and safe, fast transactions. The BNB will overcome the majority of the scalability problems and meet high throughput requirements, thus becoming the optimum solution while ensuring low gas fees without relying on Qgas. So it says, please note that there are elements in the roadmap that could be redistributed in time due to factors that could change the orders of priorities, such as feedback from the community and research. And that's where the DAO, the voting rights governance comes into play. So yeah, we already went over the roadmap there. We don't need to go over that again. They have it listed twice there for some reason. Now, they do have a Telegram chat that you could follow to at Kepple. And they also have a Telegram announcement page at Kepple Announcements. Now, if you open their webpage, it doesn't seem to work properly in Chrome, which happens all the time for some reason on my computer. So then I just go ahead and I open it up in Edge, and then it works for some reason. And I should just use Edge all the time. I don't know why I don't, but I don't. So there. All right, so if we just open up Kepple.io in Edge, and it works perfectly, there is a swap. So you can click on the swap, and it says everything you need to know can be found here, converting your QLC to the KPL token. So if you were a QLC holder, and you're wondering how to swap your old tokens for this new one, they have it right on their webpage, Kepple.io. You can't miss it. At the top of their webpage, they have Web3 tools you can click on, governance, staking, token swap, and support. So Kepple is a layer 2 cryptocurrency community-driven solution on the BNB chain to social media platforms, bringing Web3 features to an all-in-one extension. So in a nutshell, that's what it is. And then how to get started putting it on your computer. They have step-by-step, like install it on your browser, log in and connect your wallet, and ready to use Web3 features on Web2 social media platforms, etc., etc. So yeah, all sorts of cool information on here. Now, if you want to find the announcement page about its announcement, you can find that on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_global. It will be listed April 30th, 15 hours UTC time. So like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.